IVM.
Welcome, beta, beti, bade bhai, bade behan. Welcome to Come Home to Kotak with me, Cyrus Brocha. You can see the close up. This beautiful visage is mine. That's right. Mr. India 7 years in a row and 57 to 64. But this is episode 2. So if you're looking for a new home, you've come to the right place. Almost. You see, I'm taking you through all the steps of buying and owning a home. So the best place to start is episode 1. If you've not heard that, go back and listen to that episode and come back here. This is episode 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. That will come later. So 1 ho gaya, 1 to come. And the one in the middle, that's number 2. I hope I've not confused you. Now, for those who have heard episode 1, I have never liked the word kharcha. It's too heavy. Kharcha, kharcha, kharcha. It sounds expensive, yaar. Kharcha ho gaya. Deo kya? Kharcha pani. Kharcha, 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 kharcha. So I always look for discounts. And by discounts, I mean I let my wife do all the shopping. So buying a whole new house is too big a decision. Where does one even start? So Suresh has started with Kotak Bank and seemed to be managing pretty well. Sailesh. Suresh or Sailesh? Kya tha uska naam? But I have saved his number now and I'm too lazy to change it, folks. Shouldn't have saved his number in the first. Between you and me, I kind of like the guy. Platonically, of course. Not in that way, but we're friends. He calls me with updates about the home buying process. I prefer it to Netflix. It's a lot more real and has no subscription charges. No? Remember that word? The heavy word? Kharcha. So I asked him, how did he even decide to embark on this heroic journey in such challenging times? Lucky for you, I record my phone calls. I mean, you call me paranoid. I don't care. You call me what you want. I'm just being vigilant. Everyone has seen your WhatsApp chats anyway. You know that, no? Just check to what's happening around us as we speak. Check this out. This is live and real. This is me. Hello?
Hello, Cyrus bhai.
Hello? No, this is his guardian. May I know who's speaking?
Cyrus, I have good news.
Oh, so you're ready to go through this home buying process. Where do you even begin?
Cyrus bhai, unsu kyunch? The first thing is readiness, not only financially but also emotionally. It's over a decade's commitment and needs consistent planning. You can't tap out in the middle.
Tap out? That sounds like a wrestling match.
Even the greatest journey begins with the first step.
Yeah, but Sarsi, what if you have to go to Virar? What step do you take into the train compartment? The right one or the left one? Or both at once? Technique is everything.
Cyrus bhai, Dekho, listen, I had a financial goal in mind. The day I would have 20 to 25% of the total cost of the home and savings, I would start.
25% of the total cost, that's quite an amount.
You see, you need that. You need at least that much for the down payment, registration and the other cost. Especially in case of resale of property, down payment is essential. Once the EMI starts, it is always great to have at least 2 months EMI in saving to stay ahead.
If only you planned so much for the gym, yaar.
Cyrus bhai, listen to me. Eligibility is important, both for the gym and for the home loan.
अरे भाई ऐसा किसी को भी थोड़ी मिल जाता है ना होम लोन. You might say सुरेश को मिला तो मेरे को क्यों नहीं?
What यार Cyrus, आप भूल जाते हो मेरा नाम शैलेश है. Silas, SAILESSSS.
Sailesh, a quintessential Guju name. Born financial experts, just a little bit out of place in the gym. I don't mind, no offense. But tell me, how do you know you are eligible? Through meditation, through introspection, somebody taps you on the shoulder and tells you get a text. Kaisa?
Listen to me again. To check your eligibility, you can look up the eligibility calculator on kotak.com. I have currently submitted all the documents and I am waiting for this home loan to get sanctioned.
Waiting is an important part of the Indian experience. We wait for buses, trains, for the rains to come and then for the rains to stop.
Not at Kotak. All my documents will get thoroughly analyzed by the legal and technical team of Kotak. They will make sure the property in question meets all the criteria and the valuation is accurate. And this is great because in case you have missed out on something, it can still be identified.
This sounds like a lot of work. It sounds like a full-time job, which is good. But without your actual job, you won't be able to pay the EMIs in the first place.
Having a broker helps, and Kotak does everything else. They even have doorstep service where they guide you regarding all the documents, make sure everything is in place, and without you even having to leave your house in the first place.
With this level of service, Kotak can get into any sector and ace it. I think I will apply for a home loan just to get the experience. I'm so tired of standing in line for Aadhaar cards, for passports, for vaccines. I'm feeling sick just thinking about it. And all this at a 6.5% rate of interest. I'm so impressed. I've started doing everything in multiples of 6.5, including reps in the gym.
And one more thing, Cyrus bhai. did you know that Kotak is also offering nil or zero processing fee for online application? That's nil PF with the lowest interest rate of 6.5%. Did you know that, Cyrus?
I had no idea zero and nil meant the same thing.
Oh, also when you apply online, you get an in-principle sanction letter instantly instead of waiting for days.
Instantly, like coffee? How great is that, yaar? My own birth certificate had taken a few years and I was a healthy and talkative baby between you and me. A little bit too healthy, I was told. And not just gibberish like I do now.
Anyway, kal gym mein milta hai, Cyrus, as we say in Hindi. Okay, आओ जो.
You know, guys, he keeps telling me all this in the gym also. And I tell him, ये सब तो ठीक है, gym में आया है तो एक exercise तो कर ले कम से कम. So he starts walking on the treadmill at 3 kilometers per hour. What a guy. I wish I could be so relaxed about life, at least on a Sunday. If only Kotak could send gym trainers as well. You think they would do that? Let me make a call a little later. So remember the steps, folks: financial and emotional preparation, getting documents in order for applying, evaluation, sanction, and disbursement. All at your doorstep and at 6.5% rate of interest. Kotak Bank is the ultimate solution for home loans. If you don't trust me, just ask Suresh. Sailesh? Damn it, these names, yaar. I should log it properly so I know what his name is. Anyway, folks, that was the second episode of Come Home to Kotak with me, Cyrus Brocha on IVM Podcast. Make sure to tune in for our third and final episode, unless you really want us to explain something again. So our first episode can become our fourth episode. I haven't decided on that. Kotak Home Loans, interest rates starting at 6.5% per annum. Terms and conditions apply. But always remember, terms and conditions apply. Interest rates starting at 6.5% per annum.
Hey everybody, it's been a great week on the IVM Podcast Network. On The Habit Coach, Ashton is in conversation with Dre Baldwin, CEO of Work on Your Game Inc. They discuss the athletic mindset and what it takes to be a great athlete. On All Things Policy, Arjun Garge speaks to Atish Padi about fantasy sport platforms and Karnataka's online gambling ban. On the Life Manifesto, Zarina decodes the concept of emotional maturity. I wonder what emotionally mature people really do. On Naan Kari, Sadaf and Archit are joined by author Sudha Menon. They discuss comfort food and Sudha's upcoming book. On Say No to Drama, Chetna cuts through the drama around Instagram posts and comments. Do follow us on social media. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. And remember, if you're enjoying this show or any of other shows for that matter, please do tell a friend. And finally, we'd like to thank our sponsors this week: Cred, Bank of Baroda, Quarter, CoinSwitch, Kuber, Slay Coffee, Intel, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Oxfam India. Thank you so much for making this possible.
Given the unprecedented times our nation is going through, where positive is now a dreaded word, Smile India gets you delightful news from across the country about people and places that continue to spread the much-needed hope and positive vibes. I am Shifa Maitra, and you can hear Smile India with me every Thursday on the IVM app, website, or wherever you get your podcasts from. Oh, and did I tell you Smile India is available in both English and Hindi.